Makeup is the finishing touch, the final accessory. But the beauty of my bare skin with all its flaws make me fall in love with myself a little more every day too. I'm pretty without makeup and I feel pretty powerful with makeup. I've always said makeup to me is a platform where I can express my creativity. It's like a therapy to me.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.